Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be filming this eye look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So if you want to see how I got this look and also my thoughts on the palette, then you're in the right place. But before we get started, please take a moment to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you're already subscribed, welcome back guys. And also make sure that you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is on every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, today I decided to film a get ready with me, and we're going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So I've gone ahead and done pretty much everything but my eyes, and we will get a look going with this. But before we get started, I have one thing I want to share with you guys, so hold on just a second. Alright, this is our newest family member. I'm going to give you a chance to guess what you think her name is. Take a look at this face. We just adopted her from the pound a few days ago. Yeah, she's fit right in with our family, except she's got a little bit of a kennel cough, so she's not feeling 100%, but she's doing great. She's a year old, and I think she's a Shih Tzu Poodle mix. Let me just kind of show you her whole body. She was unfortunately needed to be shaved because she came into them as a stray, just really matted up. And actually, I'm going to insert a photo right here showing her before. She got a complete transformation. Talk about having a complete makeover. And this is her now. So I'll give you a hint. Here's a hint on what her name is. It's not the most perfect name for a dog. Really, Cruella de Vil, or Cruella de as we are calling her. She just woke up from a nap, so she's a little sleepy right now, but she's just full of loves and so good. So anyway, this is what we've added to our crazy family of dogs that puts us at 4 of them. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know she's in the room with me, so if you hear some noises going on, especially with her kennel cough, that's just her. But she's been good right now, just laying down in her little doggy bed that I have in here. So anyway, let's talk about this palette. When I opened it up, the first thing that hit me was I've seen a lot of these colors before. So I went and grabbed my Modern Renaissance palette, and let's go side by side. So first here is the Soft Glam. Oops, let me back up a little bit, too close. So there are 3 different shades in here that are the same. So we have Tempera. Oops, I gotta get that in the photo. So we have Tempera right here, as well as right here. We have Burnt Orange here. You do not want to stay. And then also down here. And the last one is, which one is it? Cyprus Umber. So Cyprus Umber is right there. And also right here. So that got me thinking, well, what other colors might there be duplicates of? So I went and did a little research on the colors that they have individually, as well as in other palettes. So with this palette, there are 7 repeats that you can get either from other palettes or you can buy individually. And when I have my description down below, I'm going to list all of those colors that are duplicates. So out of the 14, 7 are new and 7 are duplicates. So I'm going to leave that up to you if you decide that's something that you want to go ahead and purchase or not. The price of this is $42. It is a great palette. So I know that there was a lot of problems and concerns about her last palette. That was the, oh, I can't remember the name of it. This one is just beautiful. Yeah, there's a little bit of fallout in some of them. But my God, these things are just some beautiful, beautiful shades. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started in putting some of this on my eyeballs. I've got you zoomed in now, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus here. I moved my monitor over here. Normally you would see me looking over here, but I just moved. You can't see my finger. I used to have it on this side, and now I have it over here. So anyway, let me go ahead and we will get started. So I'm going to take an angled brush, and I'm going to go into that Tempera shade. And as always, I'm going to just use that as my base color to go all over my lid. Okay, that went on beautifully. Just love it. Now for my crease color, I'm going to go in with the burnt orange shade right there. Are you digging a hole in your bed? She's one of those dogs that has to like dig her bed and get it in just the right position for her to lay down. She's been sleeping in our bed with us the last couple of nights along with the other dogs, so it's a good thing we have a queen size bed. Did I say queen size? King size bed. 4 dogs, my husband and I. Yeah. While I'm doing this, I'll tell you the story about her. She was taken in as a stray down in California, and they took her in on February 27th. And she was just a hot mess, as you can see from her previous photo before she got all shaved. So they don't really know anything about her as far as her past. She is house trained, doesn't know any tricks yet, but I'll be working with her to learn some tricks. Very sociable. She just, the first thing she did is when they brought her in the room, I sat down on the floor and she came over right away, and I put my hand out because that's what you're supposed to do with dogs, just to let them sniff you. And she didn't even sniff. She went in straight to licking. So I knew right then and there she was just going to be a sweetheart of a dog. They had just got her in on the 6th. I need to look at my calendar. I'm all confused on my days. Okay, so today's March 11th, Sunday, March 11th. I got her Friday, so that would have been the 9th. So they took her in on the 6th. On the 8th, they spayed her, and then I took her home the next day. So she's just had a little bit of a whirlwind for the last couple of weeks. Oh, she's sound asleep already. Okay, so anyway, Sienna is the next shade I'm going to go in with, and I'm going to show you here. I am getting a little bit of a kick up with that. Not much, but just a little bit. I'm tapping a lot off, and I'm going to take that deeper into my crease. And I'm going to go in with mulberry. Again, very lightly. I'm going to take that just right on the outer V of my eye. Right now I'm going to go in with my Luxie 211 brush. This is a flat brush that has a point on it. And I am going to pick up this rose pink color, which I just stuck my fingernail into. I'm going to tap again a lot off of it. I'm going to go into the inner part of my eye. And this, I don't know if you can see this or not, it's already fallen off and into my face a little bit there. I'm only going into the inner third of my eye, because in the center I'm going to go in with a different shade. Alright, now I'm going to pick up a different flat brush, and I am going to pick up this shade Fairy, which is a very light gold. And I'm going to take that right in the center. And making sure I'm staying on my lid and not taking it into the crease either. And using the same brush, now I'm going to pick up this color Sultry right there. And I'm going to go right over the top of that mulberry color that we had gone on. But I'm not going to take it outside of my lid. Just kind of going between the Fairy and the mulberry. Alright, I'm going to take a clean brush and lightly, and I mean with the lightest hand, just go from the outside in. I don't want to take any of that light shade and try and bring it back to dark. I want to try and blend everything in together. And then I'm going to take yet another clean brush and go up here and blend just oh so lightly so that everything's blended in together. I'm going to go back in and take a little bit more of that fairy color. I feel like I kind of lost a lot of that. I think that helps lighten up the eye look a lot. So pretty. So pretty. All right, now on a pencil brush, I'm going to go into the burnt orange shade again and take that underneath my eye. But before we do that, let's wipe away the fallout that we got. And then I'm going to take a flat angled brush and I'm going to go into Mulberry again and take that right along my lash line. I'm going to kind of connect where it was on my upper lid down to underneath my lash line. So just the teeniest bit in. And then I'm going to take another clean brush and lightly buff that out. Okay, I'm going to do something I haven't done in a long time. I'm going to go in and I am going to tightline my waterline, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Astro Precise Skinny. And I'm just going to do my top lashes. Alright, let me go ahead and put on some mascara and some lipstick and some setting spray, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the completed eye look. I have used the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. So between that and my Care Pros, I got these eyelashes. So no, these are not false eyelashes that I have on. I also picked up a second one of these little combs, metal combs. I'll leave a link down below on where you can get these, but I love just how these can really get in there, separate out my lashes, and just get everything lifted and separated, and I don't have to go in with the old safety pin. And then with my lips, I have on the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. I'll leave the color of this down below because the font is so small I can't read it right now. And then for setting spray, where'd you go? I went in with the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Setting Spray. The foundation I'm wearing today is the Noir Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. And that was a foundation that I just filmed on Thursday, so that was in my Battle of the Foundations. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll leave a card right up here so you can go ahead and watch that as well. I think that completes the look. Tell me what you think of everything. I love, love, love this palette. I love how easy everything blends out. But like I said, you really have to be careful because you get a lot of kick up on this, and these can easily just kind of get all over your face, as you saw me have problems with that. But I really, really love this palette. I just wish that for those of you that have the other palettes that are already out, or some of these individual shades, they would have come up with something new and original. You know, you could basically get half of this palette just by buying their individual shades that they put out, except for it'd be a lot more that way because each individual pan is $12 with them. So that's my only complaint about this, is it's time for some new original colors. So I can't say this is even a new palette. There's 7 new shades in this palette, but it's not new. So Anyway, I'll leave it up to you guys to decide if you want to get it or not. And again, I will have a link down below for you as well. So, if you enjoyed the video today, guys, please give me a thumbs up. It does help me out with that YouTube world out there. And if you have not subscribed to my channel before, please take a moment to go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell notifications. You'll be notified when I upload my new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And feel free to leave me any comments below. If there's a palette you'd like to see me use or any type of a makeup product out there that you would like me to do a review on, please leave me a comment and I will do my best to try and do that for you. So as always, you guys, I love you and bye-bye.